Project 5. Biodiversity, we are part of an ecosystem. Introduction. Earth is full of life. We see trees, jaguars, and birds in the jungle. We also have tiny microorganisms in the ocean. This variety of living things is called biodiversity. All living things, including people, are part of ecosystems where every species has a job. To understand today's biodiversity, we need to go back millions of years to the deep ocean, where life began. From the ocean to the jungle. The first life in the ocean. About 3.8 billion years ago, there were no plants, animals, or people. Only rocks, hot oceans, and gases. Seawater went into cracks in the ocean floor. It touched a green mineral called olivine, found in magma. This process made new minerals and gave off gases like hydrogen and methane. These reactions gave energy to the first microorganisms. They could live without oxygen or sunlight. Over time, some bacteria learned to use sunlight photosynthesis. Others learned to use oxygen with a process we still have today, the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is how cells turn food into energy. It takes small molecules, like sugar, and makes energy for life. It happens in almost all living things, from plants to jaguars. Ecosystems. An ecosystem is living things: plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, plus their environment: water, air, soil, climate. Examples in Mexico: Lacandan jungle, Sonoran desert, cloud forests, coral reefs. Ecosystems have food chains, energy cycles, and balance between species. Biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life in a place. Mexico is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. It has over 200,000 known species. We need to protect habitats and keep balance in ecosystems. Learning goals. Know how life began on Earth. Explain the Krebs cycle in simple words. Identify parts of an ecosystem. Recognize Mexico's biodiversity. Care about living things and nature. Activities. Science. Look at microorganisms with a microscope if possible. Research and present a Mexican ecosystem. Make a food chain with pictures. Show how energy goes from the sun to an animal. Draw the Krebs cycle using fruit or objects. Language arts. Write a story from an animal's or plant's view. Write, how can we protect biodiversity? Read about endangered Mexican species. Make an illustrated glossary: biodiversity, ecosystem, microorganism, cellular respiration. Art. Mural of the local ecosystem. Comic. The journey of a sugar molecule. Recycled material sculpture of a cell. Masks or costumes of living things. Math. Count species by type. Use percentages for endangered species. Make bar or pie graphs. Calculate simple food chains. Evaluation. What we check. Excellent 3. Good 2. Needs work 1. Explains the origin of life in the ocean. Describes the Krebs cycle in own words. Identifies elements of an ecosystem. Joins in group activities. Shows care for the environment.